couple of years ago, I decided to join one of those national chain gyms, the ones that have the same workout at every single gym across the country, no matter which one you go to. What it didn't do was hit the things specifically I wanted to work on. I wanted to start to build to using higher weights. I couldn't get there fast in the pace that I wanted to, which is typically fast, because I was simply doing the prescribed workouts, which were good. They simply weren't for me. Why custom fit coaching, in the case of Ovation Communication, works better than one size all trainings is because, like my time at this national gym, it was good, it was solid. Getting back to what I call my home gym, where I get prescribed workouts just for me, really made the difference. And the way that our training makes the difference is because it focuses on the individual needs. So if we're talking physical training, I was really wanting to increase my weights, that I could lift more weights. That became my focus. And when individuals come to us and get an individualized training, a custom fit coaching program, whether that's for an individual or a group, what they're getting is a focus on individual needs. So even if we're working with a small group, we're still focusing on each individual need. Everybody's getting loads of attention. Also, the custom fit gets across the board higher engagement and motivation. This time is for me. You've invested in me. Absolutely. That's going to get a little bit more engagement and higher motivation. And certainly what we've seen across the Ovation universe over the past 15 years, it is the custom training that gets the higher results. This also can lead to faster skills development. It's specific, it's targeted, it's motivated to what motivates the individual, and therefore results are going to get there faster. They're going to get real-time feedback and adaptation. So for the human that needs it versus here is the blanket comment for everybody. All of that leads to stronger long-term results. We always talk about at Ovation that we want to pull through the training. That is the important part. A great training experience is a terrific training experience. And then what happens when you walk out the door? Whether that's a physical door or virtual door, you want to keep those skills going. So custom fit is really going to garner those stronger long-term results that you want for yourself or your team. We can also, with custom fit, align with your business objectives. So not only what you want to improve, what the business needs to improve or get a little more productive. Custom fit is a beautiful convergence of the participant or participants or coachees, whatever you want to call them, and the trainers, coaches, facilitators, whatever you want to call those. That builds trust, that's rapport, that's long-standing. That's why 90% of our clients come back to us time and time again, because they trust us and have built a rapport maybe with a very specific trainer as well. And custom fit increases accountability. Now I have a small handful of trainers within my home gym that I see there is accountability. So custom fit is going to get you and your team there faster, align with those business objectives, and have a more human ingrained experience.